45 billion profitable Shiba Inu. What does this mean? Shiba Inu has had a very good 24-hour period. The price of Shiba has been rising along with Bitcoin and Ethereum, which has generated a very positive return and has made the investments profitable. I have a very interesting article here that talks about trillions of coins returning to profit. We'll talk about what that means in a second. This is a very important signal, but it also indicates that people may be willing to hold Shiba tokens for a long time. So we're going to talk about that as well, as some people see the glass as half empty, while others see it as half full. Even if we only have a small amount of Shiba, coin holders are locking in their profitability at the moment. This could contribute to the fact that people are willing to hold their investments for the longer term, until the price action starts to rise further and they recoup their initial investment. Let's discuss it now, and if you're interested, let's get started. Welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates from Shiba Inu and the world of cryptocurrencies in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we extend a special welcome to you. We invite you to hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. We're announcing that this channel has a giveaway of 5 million Shiba Inu tokens. To have the opportunity to participate, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment with the hashtag Shiba Inu. The winner will be announced on 30th of June. There is a news item reporting the introduction of Shibacals by Shiba Inu. Shibacals are a new way of connecting digital assets with real-world objects in the realm of non-fungible tokens, NFT. This innovation from Shiba Inu comes at a time when the NFT market is looking to regain its footing, providing collectors with a unique opportunity to own both digital and tangible assets. By introducing Shibacals, Shiba Inu not only opens the new door to the physical world, but also offers collectors a way to demonstrate ownership within the Shibarium ecosystem. The Shibacals use NFC chips to digitally authenticate physical products, such as t-shirts, and associate them with a user's NFT collection. This connection between the physical t-shirt and the NFT verifies that the owner of both items is the same person, which increases the value of these collectibles. In addition, when the t-shirt is resold, potential buyers can verify the authenticity of the product by verifying it on the blockchain, differentiating it from counterfeit copies. The launch of Shibarium, a Layer 2 blockchain focused on NFT and metaverse applications, has also generated a lot of interest in the crypto community. Shibarium will use native Shiba Inu tokens to facilitate transactions within the blockchain, which will offer even more opportunities for token holders. The introduction of Shibacals has had a positive impact on the prices of Shiba Inu tokens such as SHIB, Bone, and Leash, which experienced significant gains following the announcement. This has generated excitement in the crypto community and is expected to contribute to the success of both Shiba Inu tokens and the Shibarium network. In summary, the introduction of Shibacals by Shiba Inu is a significant step forward in the world of NFTs, as it provides a tangible connection between digital assets and real-world objects. This innovation can drive the adoption of Shiba Inu tokens and foster the growth of the Shibarium network. Shiba has been performing very well, following Bitcoin's uptrend. Despite all the lawsuits going on, Bitcoin is once again knocking on the door of $30,000. This shows that investors are showing a bullish attitude, ignoring the negative news, and focusing only on the positive. This mindset is also reflected in the Shiba currency. According to this article on Bitcoin, billions of Shiba tokens reached a break-even point when the average price of the coin increases by 10%. Shiba has been making waves in the market with a notable price increase. The price of Shiba has seen a substantial increase, providing some relief to token holders. More than 1 billion Shiba Inu tokens have now surpassed their break-even point, regaining their initial value, and attracting the attention of both investors and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Let's talk a bit about the 8.7% surge we've seen over the past few days. At the time of publishing this video, Shiba was trading at 790 points per coin, and it could be even higher if the Bitcoin price continues to rise today. Let's look at some numbers on how many Shiba coins are currently in a profitable position. This means you're making a profit if the price of your investment is above break-even. Otherwise, you are losing money. If we use the term being in the money here, you know what it means. According to the article, in the last week alone, the price rise has generated a remarkable 12.4% gain for the Shiba Inu coin. This has led to around 18.5 billion coins being in a profitable position, which is a huge number. This is where things get interesting. This increase represents a substantial 40.9% of all Shiba tokens in circulation, which are currently considered profitable. Now, if we do the math, we can say that approximately 45 billion Shiba coins are currently in a profitable position. This is not even 10% of the total circulating tokens, which are over 500 billion. We know this is a massive total supply of Shiba tokens, but only 10% are in a profitable position at this time. Let's say about 10% of all Shiba coins are in a profitable position right now. This indicates a huge potential for those willing to hold and wait for the price to rise further. It also tells us that people did not buy the Shiba coin when it was at 700 points, but did so in September 2021 when the token was trading at 8,800 points per coin. They entered when the price was hitting record highs. This means that they are currently standing by, hoping to do exactly the same thing. Now, I don't know what your break-even point is, or how close you are to making a profit on your Shiba coin holdings right now. But I'm telling you that this number is low. Only 10% of Shiba coin holders are making a profit right now. This means that 90% will be tempted to wait until the break-even point is reached. Therefore, we know that the community will continue to strengthen as there is no selling pressure from traders looking to make a profit. This indicates that people are only willing to buy as the price goes higher. When the bull market comes back and the price starts to rise again, we will definitely have great opportunities to profit in that situation. I wonder what you guys think about this topic. Let me know in the comments section. Finally, there is an article that points out that the IMF acknowledges that cryptocurrencies present challenges and risks, such as price volatility and the possibility of use in illicit activities. However, the IMF argues that prohibition is not an effective solution to address these challenges, and that it is more beneficial to adopt a regulatory approach and properly monitor the use of cryptocurrencies. The IMF argues that prohibition can lead to the creation of black markets and illegal activities, as well as the loss of economic opportunities and innovation associated with cryptocurrencies. Instead, it advocates regulation that addresses the risks associated with cryptocurrencies, such as money laundering and terrorist financing, while encouraging innovation and economic development. The article also highlights that some countries have chosen to ban cryptocurrencies, but notes that this is not a universally adopted response. Instead, many countries are looking for ways to regulate and monitor cryptocurrencies to mitigate the risks and harness their potential benefits. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you next time to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.